Load up on guns, bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend she's over.
Hey guys, Aaron here with Straight Line Cycles, and we are finally ready to start our structuralization and our pivot points for our swing arm and our engine motor mount area. I hope it's not confusing what I'm doing. It is a bit tedious and a bit advanced, I'll give you that, but we'll get there and I'll show you what I'm doing along the way. What my plan is now, right now, and I'll come get you and bring you closer. Now Kawasaki has welded this square piece onto this part of the frame. And so what my plan is, we're gonna bevel the edges, make it nice and smooth, and get it clean. And then we're gonna take our square tubing here, and we're going to make sure that it's nice and level whenever we do it. But we're gonna put a piece like that coming up. It just has to take up the angle going up. So, and then once we get our pieces going up, we're going to make little cups that look like this, probably out of this tubing because it's a lot bigger, and put that for our axle mount and whatnot. We'll get there. Just bear with me and follow along if you can. If not, hopefully you're entertained in some form or fashion.
Load up on guns, bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend she's overboard and self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. With a lights on, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertainer. I feel stupid and contagious. Here we are now, entertainer. And I forget just why I take. Oh yeah, I guess it makes me smile. I found it hard, so hard to find. Oh well, whatever, never mind. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. With the lights on, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertainer. I feel stupid and contagious. Here we are now, entertainer.
All right, guys. Well, we got this side tacked in. We will get the other side done, and then we will measure for our crossbar as well. we're going to be putting in a support bar going across to help it out. We'll probably do another support bar over here so that whenever we do our motor mounts for the front of the engine, it'll have something to tie into.
Only thing on my mind, you've been in it some time. Look at me for some light. It ain't like it's the fight now. Spending all of our lives, sharing all of our highs and lows when we open our eyes. Let's stay high on love, our soul. Yeah, we high on hope. Yeah, we high on dope, yeah. They lie, let our love die slow. Even God don't know, yeah. Is it a lie? Are we alive? Caught in the spiral, lies on the line. Are we the gods? Losing our mind. Put on the Bible and we'll survive. Yeah, all I need to get by, all I need to get high. Fuck 'em all till we die. No, it's all just a lie, yeah. We give all of our tries, sharing all of our cries, I know. Follow me to the sky. Let's stay high on love, our soul. Yeah, we high on hope. Yeah, we high on dope, yeah. They lie, let our love die slow. Even God don't know, yeah. Is it a lie? Are we alive? Caught in the spiral, lies on the line. Are we the gods? Losing our mind. Put on the Bible and we'll survive. I don't wanna wake up if I ain't got you by my side. Fucking's how we make up. Keep it through the afterlife. Let's stay high on love, our soul. Yeah, we high on hope. Yeah, we high on dope, yeah. They lie, let our love die slow. Even God don't know, yeah. Is it a lie? Are we alive? Caught in the spiral, lies on the line. Are we the gods? Losing our mind. Put on the Bible and we'll survive.
Alright, well, we have both of our pieces tacked in. Like next we're going to do some more measurements and try to get our cups made. So we'll carry on.
Well, on my way, bringing vibes today. Gonna fuck 'em all up, play with their minds today. When I'm done, fucking on my babe. She bring me all love, and a pussy like a million drugs. Take a minute, now breathe out. Fuck with my pace, so I'll blast loud. Just wait a minute, now bleed out. Sit here and pray while you put my mind at ease. Free me from the fucking chains of the beat. I need God to hold me. Only thing I feel is pain from the heat. Well, on my way, never lied today. Cut 'em all up, burn 'em alive today. When I'm done, fucking call me crazy. 'Cause I love me all the blood and the violence of a million suns. Take a minute, now breathe out. Fuck with my pace, so I'll blast loud. Just wait a minute, now bleed out. I sit here and pray while you put my mind at ease. Free me from the fucking chains of the beat. I need God to hold me. Only thing I my mind